Good morning. So we all know it's super important to be posting on your social media, and Google Search Console just rolled out the ability to actually add your social media channels as properties. So how you do it is you just go to Google Search Console, and then you'll just scroll over to the properties and hit add property. And here's where you can add your social profiles here. And it's super easy. You just add and then it becomes a login screen. The reason this is important is, number one, we're posting all the time, and maybe your social media post kind of flopped on the channel, but it doesn't mean that it's not helping you get organic search. And so this kind of gives us more of that omni view of all of the content that's bringing people to your website. So I would say give this a chance and set it up. And it's also going to give us great content to feed to Claude or ChatGPT for our marketing machine. All right, well, let me know if you do it in the comments, and have a great day.